4 days 2+2 strategy. Have a look.
So, talking about the last 4 day strategies, dividing into 2+2, 13th and 14th May, and then 15th and 16th May. Please remember, first and foremost, you don't have to be in any type of FOMO, and you have to take a very good sleep so that you get less burnt out. Along with that, the another pro tip is that you don't have to do custom module at this point of time,
because INS is heavily based on PYQs plus PYTs. Please remember this thing.
Talking about the 3 main pro tips, first is cover your syllabus selectively till 14th. You have to cover your syllabus till 14th. Please remember this thing. Selectively का मतलब क्या है? You don't have to read entire thing. If you have RR notes, if you have BTR, you have DVT, you don't have to read it totally. It's okay. You have to be very selective. You know that in PDR you are lagging in growth and development. Please read that part only. In HIMAT, you know that you are getting confused every time that how are you going to differentiate between ALL or AML. Similarly, any other topic you are getting confused. You have to be very selective at this point of time. You have to read 19 subject. एक subject का नहीं होता है. 200 question 19 subject से आते हैं. So you have to be very selective for all the 19 subjects. Okay, first and the foremost thing. Second, very important thing. I have said it from the starting that you have to focus more on micro, biochem and FMT along with the integrated subject. That is the main foundation for the IIS set. Please remember all these three, and these three are the volatile subjects. Along with that, now I know that most of us will be struggling for anatomy, and I know that IIS set is also based heavily on anatomy. But I will tell you one very important thing. अगर IIS set में anatomy के 10 questions आते हैं, उसमें से 5 questions बहुत doable होते हैं. Anyone can do that. The other 5 questions are not very high level. It is just one very simple fund I'm going to tell you. You have to look into the questions and look into the options and please apply the rule out game. If they are totally out, like they are something like that, which is a very factual question, you can leave it if you are not knowing the answer. But apart from that, most of the questions, even in anatomy, would be integrated and you can easily be solving them. So please don't have a FOMO. Do the PYQs of anatomy. At least from 2017, you can start doing it. Okay, especially INS based for of both May and November session. So this is, you have to focus on these subjects at least for the last 2 days. That is 13th and 14th. Now, if you are not able to revise full, it's okay. At this point of time, nobody is able to revise the entire syllabus. It is just a myth, as I always say. Talking about the last 2 days, that is 15 and 16, I have divided 16 again into half and half. So you have 1.5 days. 15 और 16 का आधा डे. All 19 subjects को passively पढ़ना है. Passive का मतलब क्या होता है? If you are having any of the RR notes or you are having the BTR book, just try to flip on the pages very passively. सीधे सीधे पढ़ते रहना. ओके ठीक है. एंडोक्रिन में ये लेप्टिन यहाँ पे है. ओके जैकस्टेट का इनहिबिटर ये है यहाँ पे. ओके जैकस्टेट पाथवे से ये एक्ट करता है, ये वाला हार्मोन ऐसे. ओके कैसे कैसे कुशन सिंड्रोम में क्या क्या चीजें दी जाती है. इट शुड बी वेरी फास्ट. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक एक्टिवली. इट इज जस्ट यू आर फ्लिपिंग द पेजेस. दैट इज इट. Now, here you have to only go through the important topics along with the bookmark topic, the choti copy and the INS revision videos. So there will be many platforms where there will be the INS revision videos. You can just go for them also. Along with that, images and the highly volatile subjects has to be taken care at this point of time. Highly volatile subject, you know that what are they? Biochem, anatomy. Then there is FMT for the 0.5 day, that is 16 का जो शाम का मोड होगा. Now, Zena ma'am always say this, that be in the Zen mode, and please try to be in Zen mode from today only. और अभी से नहीं हो पा रहा तो लास्ट के आधे दिन में तो जरूर Zen mode में हो जाना. ठीक है. 4 o'clock पे या 5 o'clock पे मैम की आशीर्वाद क्लास आती है. प्लीज वॉच दैट आशीर्वाद क्लास. अलॉन्ग विद दैट ट्राई टू स्लीप बाय 11 एटलीस्ट. उस दिन कम से कम 11 बजे तक सो जाना, बिकॉज गुड स्लीप इज द जैकपॉट. जिसने स्लीप ले ली उसका पेपर निकलने के चांसेस सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं. नाउ प्लीज रिमेंबर, यू आर नाउ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द लास्ट 3 hours of either be a competition or remove your competitors from the race. Anyhow, आप ही का फायदा हो रहा है. INS set जिसका निकल जाएगा, that will be removed from the competition.